Alright, so, this is pretty much just a heads up for my next belching video, which is gonna be soon. Just, I'm really hungry and I need fuel in order to belch, so hold on tight. I'm really sorry about fucking up the last video. It's just, I didn't have a fucking microphone, so, my bad.
Does this mean you're a robot?
I'm not a robot, man.
Oh,
Robots probably can't belch.
you're not. Robots can belch and see.
I should punch you. Anyway, this is a heads up, so, comment tits and you're gonna see a video of belching pretty damn soon, so.
He's violent.
Shut the fuck up.
See?